Guys, my name is Piyush and welcome in Musuma classes. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can find out the length of the string in JSHELL. Okay, so I'm using Java 9, of course, JSHELL in Java 9. Okay, so I'm a Mac user. I'm using Mac, so I open. You can see here terminal. So if you are a Windows user, you can use CMD. Just type JSHELL and you will enter in JSHELL block. Okay, simple. So let's check. Okay, so I'm going to increase the size little bit size, then you can see properly. You can see. Okay, so suppose that I have s1 and I want to save my string in s1. You want to store your string in s1, so you can use this one like this. Piyush. Okay, so this will give you an error because you're not defined what type s1 is there. Okay, so when we click enter, you can see some error is going on. Okay, so error is you need to define s1, what type of s1 you are taking right now. So I'm going to define my s1 string is. Okay, so need to suppose that Piyush. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so you can print s1 like this. If you want to find out the length, you can use length function as you used in Java 8, and simply it will return the int type of value. You can see here 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Okay, so suppose that you want to modify your string, so how you can do? So you don't need to specify again. Okay, what do you want to specify? What you don't need to specify again? s1. You don't need to specify s1 is a string again. So simply write s1 is just equal to, suppose that this time you want to specify your full name. Okay, hit enter. It will not show you any error. This is perfectly fine for you. Okay, then just write s1 dot length, and then this will show you 13 because of this one thing. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so this is 13 because it is including the white space also. So in the next lecture I will show you how you can skip this space. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel, please support us, and thank you so much guys. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the section. Okay, thank you so much guys.